screen and point it. It's already going.
Let's change it. Put it on one of these hog roll. I don't want to see it. Right there it is. Look at that.
That's what I caught that one day, Matt.
Yeah, get that cat.
I have no idea what I got on film. You got a long way to go with that one. Your phone's ringing. Well, put them on speaker. Spit it out?
Yeah, spit it out.
Those are fun.
Did you get a picture in the water?
That's the one that walked me down there.
God, I want to get him in a boat.
That's the thing I caught when I went down that way. About a 40-pounder.
Is that a 20-pounder? That's fun, son. That right there.
Two men down, one man over. What does one do?
Well, I cleaned up. Are the Asian carp?
Yeah, I caught one the other day. About a 40-pounder the other day like that.
Yeah, what now?
I caught one about like that the other day. That's what walked me. I walked all the way from that point where we fished this morning back down here to this end where the boat was to get it in there. Nice crack shot on film there. Cheese.
Video in a live well.
Huh?
Let him video in a live well. Walk over top of it. There you go.
They're in there.
Mark that.
Shut her down.
Hey,